Hey everyone, what's going on? Ben, your agent, back with another episode. This week is week 60 of my journey. I'm going to be raw and transparent in this video, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Ben, your agent with eXp Realty, Aguilar Realty Group. Guys, you're at week 60 of my video. My goodness, I am so happy you're here. In this video, like I said, I'm going to be transparent with you and raw with what's going on with my journey. It's been quite a long time. So guys, let me share with you guys. It's been a year and almost 5 months now since I started real estate. And what a journey it's been. You guys been through it all with me. Most of you guys that are subscribers, thanks for those that subscribe. I have over 361 subscribers. Let me clap for you guys. And those that haven't subscribed yet watching this, please subscribe, like, and share if you like this journey that I'm sharing with you. So one of the biggest topic that I wanted to share with you guys popped in my head, and a friend of mine actually asked me this morning. He said, Ben, I love your videos. I love your TikTok. And but I have struggles on how to do it. And something clicked in my head when I was talking to him. A lot of you guys know that video, TikTok, any social media is great for brand marketing. Whether you're a real estate agent, whether you own your own business, doing something else, it's a really good way to brand yourself. So the thing is, a lot of people know, but the thing that people are missing is the mechanics. So that's what I'm going to share in this video, is the mechanics of how to do TikTok. So let me show you guys. When you take out your phone, the first thing you see is your home page, right? Then you see this like plus button on the bottom. When you click that plus button, that's when it all begins. That's when you post your content. That's when it all begins. But really, the behind the scenes, guys, is when you're out and about, you want to capture things that you want to put in the video, in the TikTok, the 30-second TikTok, or the 15-second TikTok. Now even TikTok has a minute or more. So when you're out and about and you're thinking of content, right? Maybe you can't think about it right away on the top of your head when you're not like me. So what I would recommend you do is at night when you're chilling or you're off work, while you're scrolling off people's profile in TikTok, be like, ooh, that's a great idea. Or that's a good idea. So there's different types of content. One where you can literally copy and paste exactly what someone else is doing. Another one, you have to be a little more creative. For example, if you guys seen my TikTok where you literally see like a different clip, like about a restaurant or a certain area or a certain thing, I like to do 4 to maybe 5 clips of different sections or different things that I want y'all to see, the audience to see the importance of that area. So once I get that content, right, I'll save it in my phone. I use my iPhone, the one that I'm filming on right now. Or just use your phone, record clips, and then when you get to that magic plus button, like I mentioned just earlier, that's when you create that content where it all begins. Now you're gonna put the clips into that content. So when you press that plus sign, it's gonna bring up a page, and you're gonna see yourself or whatever. And then on the right hand corner, you're gonna see an upload or a square. That's where you upload those clips. Press the upload, that clip, upload, and you're gonna get to select your clips that you recorded in your phone, which is the easiest in my opinion. And you get to select, you're gonna have to press manage if it's an iPhone. and go into your photo or album section, click on the all the clips that you did. I recommend click the clip with the one that you want to start first, and then like in chronological order, right? Once you finish clicking all the clips you want to get, now it takes you into a section where it has music right away. So if I recommend how I like to do it most of the time, 99%, is either they let you recommend a song for you, which is sometimes good, but then you want to put your own song, which is a default section. You want to press default in that area, right? Then it takes you to the main kind of where it all, like, you put all the text in there that you see us put texts in there. And also you can put stickers, which it's really great for you to use stickers. So let me start with, first thing you want to do is select a good song that's going to go along with the content that you're using. So there's song, there's like music next to the text. So press music, select the song that you like. I recommend once you see the song you like, there's also a little section on the bottom that says like original sound. You want to press that to remove the original sound in case there's sound in there, because they want to hear the music that you're going to use, right? Then get out of there. Then you're going to go ahead and press, you're going to press text. So you're going to put different text in there. All right. And then you're going to put stickers. You're going to add different stickers in there, right? And then on the right top corner, you sometimes want to enhance the video. It automatically does for you. And then a step further, there's a voiceover. That's where you guys see me make videos and then you hear my voice on it. So that is really quick tutorial on the mechanics of TikTok. If you guys have more questions and want to book a consultation with me, I'd love to sit with you guys. This has really helped my real estate career out with branding, and I'm sure it'll help your business out as well, or just your profile, TikTok profile as well. So I hope this is very valuable to any of you guys. I can't believe it's week 60 already of my journey. Thanks for all those that hopped along with me. It's been such a pleasure, and just to hear feedback from you guys. So see you on the next event, or see you on another video. And remember to always invest your best money in real estate, and and take care of your money, and hire an agent, which is going to help you out like myself. I serve Los Angeles, Orange County, and Riverside County. Love you guys. Remember, share, like, and comment this video. Have a great day. Take care.